Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls. So today, inshallah, we will learn the first lesson in Nur al-Bayan. Nur al-Bayan is a curriculum that teaches you how to read Arabic in a fun and easy way. So let's get started. And inshallah, by the end of this class, you're going to be able to read your own words. Okay? So let's focus and let's start, inshallah. So in order to read Arabic, you need to know two things. You need to know the Arabic alphabet and the harakat. Okay, so let's take a look at each one of them. So what we have here is the Arabic alphabet. So we have 28 letters in the Arabic alphabet, and so anything you see inside the balloon here is an Arabic letter. Okay. Inshallah, we're going to study them and you're going to be able to know their names very, very soon. You also need to know the harakat. Harakat are like vowels in English. Just like it's almost impossible to find a word without a vowel in English, same thing in Arabic. You need the harakat to help you read the word. So we have the main three harakat are fatha, kasra, and dhamma, and we're going to study each one of them in details, inshallah. Fatha usually comes on top of the letter, and kasra comes on the bottom of the letter, and dhamma goes on top of the letter. Today we are going to focus on the fatha, inshallah. So fatha is a very naughty haraka. So what it does is it goes and it jumps on top of the letter's head, and it pulls the letter's hair, and it makes the letter scream ah. So this is how the alphabet looks like with the fatha. Okay, we're gonna learn the sound of each letter, inshallah. I would love for you to repeat after me. So I'm gonna say the sound of each letter. Repeat after me to your mom, and because that's gonna help you in the next part, inshallah. So the first letter we have here is a, and when you say a, I want you to open your mouth vertically. Okay, so do not open your mouth sideways. Don't say eh. I want you to say and also don't say ah. So don't open it too much and don't open it sideways. Try to be focused and open your mouth in the middle. Ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha. Okay, just checking that you're repeating after me with your mom. Okay. Okay, next we have the, ra, the, sa, sha, sa, da, ta, va, a, gha, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, ha, wa, ya. Okay, alhamdulillah, excellent job. I don't expect you to know the sound of all the letters right now. That's okay. We're gonna break them down to groups and we're gonna study them, inshallah. All I want you to know right now is that when the fatha, or that slanted line, the fatha, when it goes on top of the letter, I want you to know the sound it makes. Okay, it makes the sound. Okay, perfect. So let's see if you understood what the fatha does to the letter. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this letter right here, and I want you to guess, is the sound of that letter ba or b or boo? Look at the fatha and remember what we said about the fatha and what it does. Excellent job. So the sound of that letter is ba. Very good. Alhamdulillah. Let's move on to another letter to see if you'll get it right. I want you to say the sound to your mom next to you. So what will be the sound for that letter? Ja or G or Ju? Very, very good. Inshallah, you guys all got it right. So the sound for that letter is ja, because the fatha is pulling the hair of that ja and it's screaming ja. Very good. Now, moving on, I have one last question for you. Okay, so what will be the sound for this letter here? Is it sa or si or su? Very good. I'm sure you guys got it right. And the sound here is sa. Okay, very, very good. Okay, you guys did an awesome job. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so now that you know what the fatha does to the letter, we're gonna study the first group of letters today. Okay, the first group I have here is ba, ta, tha, na, and ya. Okay, and I will tell you in a second why I put these 5 letters in one group. Okay, so a bear, we're gonna draw it here. So it looks like a plate, okay, with one blueberry on the bottom. Okay, a plate with one blueberry on the bottom. Then we have our friendly fatha on the top. A plate with one blueberry on the bottom of the plate. Okay, the next letter I have is also a plate, but the difference is it has 2 dots. 2. And this letter is ta. So ta has 2 dots. 1, 2. So ba has one blueberry on the bottom. Ta has 2 dots. 1, 2. And that is the letter ta. The next letter I have here is a plate with 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots, and this is tha. Tha. Okay, tha has 3 dots. Excellent job. So we have ba, ta, tha. Next, we have a big bowl with a dot inside, and this is na. Na has a dot inside. Na. Na. Okay, and then the last letter I have here is yeah. Yeah kind of looks like a duck with 2 feet. Okay, yeah. So we have ba, ta, tha, na, and yeah. Okay, very, very good. Alhamdulillah. So, why did I put these 5 letters together in one group? Because when these 5 letters come in the beginning of the word, all of them open their left hand to shake or hold the letter that comes next. Okay, so if you look right here, look what happens to them. All of them open their left hand to hold on to the letter that's coming next. As you guys know that Arabic, we write Arabic from right to left. Okay, so that's why if you start with the ba, ta, tha, na, or ya, the letter that comes after them is going to hold on to their hand. So that's why they open that hand. Okay? And in the middle, when they come in the middle of the word, they kind of like open both hands. They open the right hand to hold on to the letter on the right, and they open the left hand to hold on to the letter on the left. And all of these 5 letters do the same thing and they act the same way. Inshallah, when we learn the rest of the letters, they do not act that way. Some other letters do not open their hands on the right or do not open their hands on the left. But these letters, they open both hands, right and left, when they come in the middle of the word. Okay? And when they come at the end of the word, they just open they stay as they are, and then with a helping line they hold on to the letters on the right. Okay, inshallah, don't worry, we're gonna take more examples to show you what I mean by that. Okay. So let's take a look at the first example I have here. So let's say that I want to put these three letters together. I have na, ba, and ta. And I want to put these three letters together. So let's see what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take that na, and you remember we said that na is going to open the letter, the hand on the left when it comes in the beginning of the word. So there we go. So right here, it opened that left hand so it can hold on to the letter that comes next. And the letter that comes next here is ba. Okay? So we read it as na. Okay? And then here comes ba. So we read them together. Na, ba. Na, ba. Okay? Then we have the third letter, which is ta. So we're going to put all three of them together. Na, ba, ta. Together. Nabata. Nabata. Okay, excellent. And look at you guys, mashallah. So now you are able to read your first word all by yourself. Alhamdulillah. Let's see another example. So if we have these three letters, na, ta, and na. Let's see how we read them. We have na, ta, so together, na, ta, na, na, ta, na, na, ta, na. Okay, good. Let's see one more example. We have tha, ba, and ta. So we read it as tha and ba together. Tha ba. I want you to read along with me. Try with me, inshallah, with your mom next to you. If you need more time to process the information or to remember the names of the letters, inshallah, this video will be on the channel. You can repeat it as many times as you want until you memorize the names of the letters, inshallah. So here we have tha and ba. Tha ba, ta. So together, tha ba ta. Tha ba ta. Very good. Okay, one more example. The three letters we have here is na, ta, and ya. Okay, so na, ta, together, nata, nata, and then the ya. So nataya, nataya. Excellent job. You guys have been working so hard today. I'm so proud of all of you. Alhamdulillah. And that's it. That's what I have for you guys today. So inshallah, next time we are going to learn about a new group of letters, and in a very short period of time you're going to be able to read, inshallah, all by yourself. Alhamdulillah. Barakallahu feekum. May Allah bless you all, and I'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.